Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best key finders on Amazon. If you regularly lose your keys, you may want to invest in a key finder. You simply attach the device to your keychain and either push a button on a separate unit or use your smartphone to locate it. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Esky Key Finder. The Esky Key Finder is a convenient device that helps you find all kinds of items around the house. You can attach it to your keys, remote controls, phones, and much more. The signal from a powerful transmitter goes through walls, furniture, curtains, and other obstacles. In open space, it has a range of 131 feet. The key finder comes with 4 receivers that make a loud beep every time you hit the control button. You can do it continuously until you find the lost object, which makes the entire searching process super easy. The key finder also features a powerful light for more visibility in the dark and a sturdy outer shell that ensures a long lifespan. Still, some users are not satisfied with the design of the battery compartment. It can be difficult to access and might make you scratch the cover. Another concern regards the sound. The key finder is not very loud, which makes it less suitable for those with hearing problems. It's also bulky. Number 2. Rhinex Bluetooth Key Finder. Here's another key finder that works with a smartphone to locate lost objects. It uses Bluetooth technology and either an iPhone or Android app to operate. If you own an iPhone, you can also use Siri to help locate a lost item. The Rhinex tracker device is very thin and smaller than 1 inch long, so you can easily slip it in your wallet or purse and not worry about it taking up too much space. One great feature of this device is that it comes with a bonus battery. This is helpful because the batteries on these units don't tend to last very long. It's very easy to connect to a phone and doesn't drain your phone battery. The key finder also emits a distinct ring on your phone when it's out of range of the receiver. You can also push the button on your receiver and it will activate the ring on your phone, even if it's on silent mode. Number 3. Vodafone Wireless Key Finder. This key finder does not require an app for operation and is easy to use. All you have to do is press the button and the corresponding receiver will flash and make a loud sound. The transmitter has 2 big buttons that match 2 different receivers and it easily fits in a purse or a pocket. It comes with batteries for the receivers, but you must supply the AAA batteries for the transmitter. The beep is 75 to 80 decibels and works over long distances up to 100 feet away. It works well through walls, floors, and cushions. Users like the transmitter because it is lightweight and the beeping sound isn't too shrill. Plus, it's reasonably priced. Unfortunately, there have been some complaints that it can be hard to locate an item if the receiver's audio hole is laying down against something or is covered under paperwork. Also, the battery cover may come off too easily. Number 4. Atuvo's 4-pack key finder pairs. This key finder harnesses cutting-edge technology to help you keep track of your belongings effortlessly. By pairing with Apple Find My iOS only, this innovative tracker leverages the power of your iOS device to locate misplaced items quickly. This seamless integration allows you to take advantage of the extensive reach and reliability of the Apple Find My network, making it easier than ever to find your keys, bags, or suitcases. The Atuvo's key finder boasts a sleek and compact design, making it easy to carry and attach to your valuable items. Whether you want to secure it to your keys, slip it into your bag, or attach it to your suitcase, the slim and lightweight design won't weigh you down. The stylish appearance of the key finder ensures that it complements your personal style without drawing unnecessary attention. Number 5. FindKey Key Finder. This key finder comes with 1 remote control and 4 receivers to locate items such as keys, glasses, wallets, and pocketbooks. To find an item, press the button that is color matched to the missing item receiver. The unit works through walls and floors and up to 30 meters away. It emits a loud beep to help you locate the object. The remote control features an LED light on-off switch, which is helpful in the dark. The transmitter runs on AAA batteries, which are not included, and 4 CR2032 batteries that are included. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.